नमस्कार आदाब शस्त्र श्रीकाल आणि योगा तुमकां सगळ्यांक इन युअर फेवरेट प्रोग्राम यू आपण दी विथ सचिन सीझन 3 आणि आयज आमी आनी एका कॉलेजीन गेले खामल कॉलेज नुवें जी आसा थंयसर अँड जायते क्वेश्चन आन्सर विचारले खूब बरे आन्सर्स आमकां मेळ्ळे अँड देन एक इव्हेंट जालो श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी हॉलान जो युनिवर्सिटीज आशिल्लो टुगेदर फॉर युनिवर्सिटी हांच्यानी केल्लो प्लॅटॉनिका 2018 त्या इव्हेंटाची कांय खिणचित्रां कांय गेम्स आमी थंय खेळ्ळे सो हे सगळी मजा मस्ती आयच्या ह्या एपिसोडात तुमकां पळोवपाक मेळटली सो बस आणि सुशेगाद पळय आयचो हो एपिसोड स्टार्टिंग विथ द क्वेश्चन आन्सर राउंड इन खामल कॉलेज नुवें This is Yuvabanti with Sachin season 3 and right now we are at Nuwe and Carmel College for Women ताज्या कॅम्पसान सद्याक हांगा आसा आणि येस ब्युटिफूल कॅम्पस आणि तितलेच ब्युटिफूल लोक गुड हॉस्पिटॅलिटी बट आयज आमी हांगासर युवापंथी सीझन 3 चे क्वेश्चन्स तर विचारतलेच आनी जायती मजा मस्ती करतले विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर
शिवानी फडके
शिवानी
सिद्धी नाईक
सिद्धी
मेलनी फर्नांडीस शुभाना बरेटर
Shubhana
मॅक्विन फर्नांडीस जेसिडा फर्नांडीस
So, we'll be asking some simple questions, simple answers though. But तुमकां एक रूल आसा एकामेकाक हेल्प करप ना एकामेकाक आन्सर्स सांगप ना स्ट्रिक्टली पळप जर असो कोण एकामेकाक हेल्प करताना दिश्टी पडलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ताका येतलो विल स्टार्ट ओके लोकमान्य टिळक खबर आसा मुगो तांणी न्यूजपेपर सुरू केल्लो खंयचो
केसरी नाही
एनी गेसीस एनी गेसीस
आय डोंट नो
लोकमान्य टिळकान एक न्यूजपेपर सुरू केल्लो ताचें नांव कितें एनी गेसीस
गोमंतक अग्री गोमंतक या गोमंतक
लोकमान्य टिळक हॅज स्टार्टेड वन न्यूजपेपर नाव कितें
स्वराज स्वदेशी केसरी
एनी गेसीस
लोकमान्य
Lokmanya Tilak has started one newspaper. What is the name of that newspaper?
I don't know. It's maybe case. Wait. There's some. Maratha. Kesari. I don't know. Lok something.
Okay, Kesari and Maratha, both the newspapers started from Lokmanya Tilak. What the right answers?
Wow.
Lokmanya Tilak हाणी एक न्यूजपेपर सुरू केल्लो ताचें नाव कितें यू कॅन गेस लोकमान्य टिळक
No idea. Lokmant.
लोकमत
I think so. No idea. Lokmat.
लोकमान्य टिळक खबर आसा मुगो लोकमान्य टिळक हाणी एक न्यूजपेपर सुरू केल्लो ताचें नाव कितें
लोकमत. लोकमान्य. लोकमन sorry. केसरी and मराठा.
लोकमान्य टिळक हाणी एक न्यूजपेपर सुरू केल्लो लोकमान्य टिळक हाणी नाव कितें न्यूजपेपराचें
I don't know. Gomantak.
Lokmanya Tilak had started one newspaper. What was the name of that newspaper?
Lokmat.
I think Gomantak Times.
Gomantak Times.
Gomantak India or Times, I don't know.
It's Gomantak.
Gomantak.
I don't know. Abhinav Bharat something. I don't know.
Abhinav Bharat.
How about him?
खबर ना नाव
कितना गे नाव सांबाजे
यस बेटा
बांगर गोय
Yeah, Lokmat one paper is there. Yeah, Lokmat. Gomantak? I think Gomantak also. Gomantak. Yeah, Gomantak.
Any guesses?
No.
Any guesses?
Lokmat.
State animal of Goa.
Gaur.
Gaur. Gaur. Gaur. Gaur.
State animal of Goa.
Cow. No idea. Crow. It's the Gaur.
State animal of Goa.
State animal. State animal. Gaur. State animal. I don't know.
Any guesses?
Gaur. I really don't know.
State animal of Goa. Wait. Any guesses?
Wild bison. Wild bison. Gaur something. Bison.
Bull. Bull. No. Pigeon.
Next. National state animal of Goa.
Tiger.
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 State animal of Goa.
State animal of Goa. I don't know. The Gaur.
State animal of Goa.
Gaur. Gaur. Bulbul.
Wow. So I ask you 3 more questions for you. Statehood, like when Goa got statehood. State.
30th May 1989, 87,
First President of India.
Rajendra Prasad.
Asmitay this. Opinion poll day. खंयच्या दिसांनी खंयच्या वर्सा मनयता?
16 January, I don't know the year, 16 January,
Okay, still it's 16 January 1967. This prize goes to you. Congratulations. What's your name?
Balika.
Balika. Balika. Balika. So right now we have the second winner of this college, Carmel College for Women, Balika. Surname?
Gaonkar.
Gaukar. Congratulations, Balika. And thank you for answering with us. Full form of ATM.
Anytime.
Full form of ATM. Wait.
Anytime management. I do.
Time manager.
No. Management. I do.
Anytime machine.
Okay, what is the full form of ATM?
Automated teller machine.
Automated television. Yeah.
Automated teller machine. Yeah. Automatic teller machine.
Automated teller machine. Okay, what is the full form of ATM? Now, you cannot save it. I don't know.
Something. Automatic teller machine. I don't know. I'm not sure of that. Of
You
this.
can guess.
I don't know.
I think it's automatic or automated teller machine.
Full form of ATM.
Automatic
Wait.
I don't know. Automatic telecom machine.
Automatic teller machine. No, ATM. No. Automatic teller machine. I think so.
Automated teller machine. Full form of ATM.
Automated teller machine.
Automated teller machine.
Automated teller machine.
Full form of ATM.
Anytime. No, automatic something. I don't know.
Anytime money.
It's automated teller machine. Okay, what is the full form of ATM?
Anytime money. Automatic teller machine.
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 The first president of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Rajendra Prasad.
Rajendra Prasad is the right answer. Okay, 2 more questions, okay? When did Goa became state? Like which year? Statehood day आम्ही खंयच्या म्हणटा?
1961.
Statehood, not liberation act.
Yeah, statehood.
Okay, name any 5 union territories of India.
Daman and Diu.
एकूच खबर आहे because Goa, Daman and Diu are
Yeah.
no.
Uh,
No the answer. No.
no.
Daman and Diu. Delhi. Lakshadweep. Andaman and Nicobar. Maldives. You know.
So what is the full form of ATM? Wait.
All-time machine.
All-time machine.
I don't know.
Something like that. I don't know.
Auto transaction machine.
No. Automated teller machine.
I don't know.
Auto transfer machine.
What is the full form of ATM? Wait.
Automatic teller machine.
What?
Automated teller machine.
I don't know.
Automated teller machine. Thank God. Okay, what is the full form of ATM? Wait.
ATM.
ATM, not KTM. Huh?
What I know is correct. I don't know, but I know something.
Cover na. Wait, I'm coming.
Cover na.
Account transfer machine. Abarna.
I know anytime money.
Some machine.
Wait.
Maybe anytime money. Automatic tally machine. Anytime money.
Anytime money.
Should I tell you the answer now?
Automatic teller machine.
Automatic teller machine.
Automatic teller. No.
The same, no.
I don't know. Anytime money time.
Automatic teller machine.
Huh?
Automatic teller machine.
Yeah, the same thing what I answered. Automatic tally machine.
It's automated teller machine. Not automatic. Okay, right now आम्ही असं Carmel College for Women and in the campus आम्ही सध्या काय क्वेश्चन विचारतले आणि we have the beautiful ladies with us कारण त्यांच्याने इतले बरे answers दिले. What's the name?
Ronisha.
Ronisha and
Jessa.
Jessa. So congratulations and तुमच्या खातीर special prize from Nestle India Limited दोघां खातीर you can share it and the special design prize from Nestle India Limited. Thank you very much and congratulations. ओके हे क्वेश्चन आन्सर राउंड तुमकां नक्की आवडले आसतले कारण खूब बरे अशे क्वेश्चन आशिल्ले एंड आन्सर्स एज युजुअल आमकां इतले सुंदर आन्सर्स मेळ्ळे पण आफ्टर दीज मुवींग टू द नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट तो म्हळ्यार आयज एका आमी इव्हेंटा खातीर गेल्ले ती सगळे खिणचित्र तुमकां पळोवपाक मेळटली सो ग्लिम्सीस फॉर यू गायज कारण खूब बरो इव्हेंट जालो काय बरे गेम्स आमी थंय खेळ्ळे बरो टॅलंट आमकां दिश्टी पडलो फॉर प्लॅटोनिका 2018 जस्ट वॉच
Si te enroles, tú en la pantalla, si te va a probar.
Okay, thing is that I host one program called Yuva Panthi. What I do, I go to the colleges, I ask some simple, easy and some questions. Which department you are from? Marine Science. Okay. Science 1. Okay. So I'll be asking you a simple question. You stay in Bangalore for how many years you staying in Goa?
Mangalore.
Mangalore. Mangalore कोंकणी उलयता न्ही गो?
Well, I'm from West Bengal, raised in Mangalore, so I don't know.
Okay, West Bengal. So right now you're staying in Goa.
Yeah.
For how many years?
2 years, masters.
2 years. Okay. I'll ask you 3 questions. Okay, and you have to answer them. So simple questions. So first question: who is the president of India?
Pranab Mukherjee. He was.
President. Okay, wait. Do not talk.
Huh? Ramnath.
Who? कौन है?
Govind Ramnath Murali.
Okay, this is science 1. Okay, good. Marine science. Okay. So next question I'll ask you. Like politics is general knowledge, not the politics. Okay. Yeah, he was. Okay. Who was the first president of India?
Rajendra Prasad.
मालूम था?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Okay. चल इधर आ दोस्त please. Okay. What's your name? Shreyash.
Lavina.
What? Lavina. Okay. So I'll be asking both of you. Okay. 26 January.
Republic Day.
Yeah, I know that. Wait. Why we celebrate Republic Day?
Because the constitution was amendment.
Take this prize and congratulations. Very first prize. My name is Sachin. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. What's your name? Pranav. Which department?
Chemistry.
Where are they?
Pune.
Astagi na सांगतो पुण्यात पुणे देखील पुण्याला होता. ओके व्हेरी गुड. कोण आमदार कोण तुमचं? आमदार कोण?
सुरिंदर वेकर.
पुण्याचं?
पुण्याचा मडकईचा.
रावता का मडकई का पण?
पुण्या उनीर मडकई त्यामुळे.
बरं ओके. सो लेट मी आस्क यू वन क्वेश्चन. ओके सगळ्यात म्हणजे सायलन्स आहे. ओके कोणच जाप देऊ नका. आमच्या गोयची गव्हर्नर कोण रे?
मृदुला सिन्हा.
ओके व्हेरी गुड. दिता चॉकलेट दिता तरी विचारता. ओके इमॅजिन. ओके एक तुका क्वेश्चन विचारता. सिंपल क्वेश्चन आसा. 1 kg of stone, 1 kg of gold and 1 kg of cotton सगळ्यांत जड कितें आसतलें?
तिन्ही सेम वेट.
ओके लास्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके गोंय आमचें स्टेटहूड म्हळ्यार घटक राज्य दीस केन्ना आनी खंयच्या वर्सा जाल्लो खबर आसा? खंयच्या म्हयन्यात? ओके नाव आतां 2 questions. ओके दोन्ही आन्सर करपाक जाय. थर्ड आन्सर केलो तो दितलो आनी 2 question. ओपिनियन पोल डे खंयच्या दिसा आनी खंयच्या वर्सा?
माझी
Okay, moving to the next participant. Chocolate miss केली but काय ना तुका दिता हांव. I'll give you exact 4 minutes. Okay. तुमका from starting from this barricade थंयसून सुरू करपाक जाय. Maximum बीन काय ना फक्त 7 members तुज्या टिमीन एका टिमीन घेवंक मेळटले from your department. 7 members घेवपाक जाय. Wait. राव मरे 2 मिनटां आयक तरी. Not from here. Okay. 7 members तुम्ही घेवपाक जाय आनी लॉंगेस्ट लायन करपाक जाय. Using anything but connected आसपाक जाय. You can use pen, you can use t-shirt, jeans, goggles, anything. Any waste material also, anything but connection आसपाक जाय. 7 members आसपाक जाय फक्त. Only 7 members. Wait, I'll give you the time. Wait, Baba, wait. From here, starting from here, kashi kara, longest line in 4 minutes, taka prize dito. Your time starts now. Chalo. 7 maximum, 7 ke वर होता disqualify झाले. Come on. Starting from the barricade and that side, the audience side. Use anything. Okay, should be connected. Come on, run. Okay, please be careful. Please be careful over there. There are electric supply over there. Prize. Okay, is it science 2 or is it MA? Okay, the best upay is वाटून देऊ. Okay, this is for you. I'll give you also. Okay, this is for you. Congratulations. Thank you. Okay, and this is for you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Round of applause for all the teams, ladies and gentlemen. Wonderful performance. Thank you very much. Thank you. आयची ही कार्यावळ तुमकां कशी लागली म्हाका नक्की कळय. आमच्या ईमेल आयडीचे features@studentmedia.in हाजेर म्हाका कळयल्यार चलता. ऑर एल्स म्हाजी पेज आसा ऑन फेसबुकार खुबशे जाण आसतात, थोडे जाण नासता तांकां आवडना ते, बट येस जे आसा ते प्लीज विजीट करा ऑन युवापंथी विथ सचिन. लायक दॅट पेज एंड जे कितें कमेंट आसा, कितें म्हाका मेसेज घालपाक जाय, तुका कितें सजेस्ट करपाक जाय फॉर दीस शो, देन प्लीज डू दॅट. आनी येस, एन्जॉय केला आसतलो. परत एक फावट नेक्स्ट विकाक मेळुया आमी काय नवीन क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स एंड नवीन प्रँक ऑर नवीन गेम घेऊन. तोपर्यंत टाटा बाय बाय, सी यू ऑल. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.